Japan, Tokyo, 1900s. What was the world like in the early 20th century? What did they see? What did they experience? Today, we're traveling back to the world in the early 1900s. The city of Tokyo, Japan, in the years 1913 and 1915. We see what Imperial Japan was like through the stunning footage taken in the early 1900s. The footage itself was brought to us by the eyefilm museum. And to really let us immerse into that world, it was colorized and digitally enhanced with sounds for added lifelike experience. It's remarkable to see what the world was like back then. From the people, to the children, to the men and women who were living their lives. And how much of a rarity it must have been to see a film camera and the type of expressions that the people had. We could only imagine they would never have thought that people living here in the 20th century, and the 21st century rather, would be able to see into a little window of time, into a little crack beneath the surface of time, into their world. To see what they saw, to experience what they experienced, and to see the faces of these people who were once alive is quite the remarkable journey. As was said, this might be the closest we come to time travel. So please enjoy the video. Tokyo, Japan, the 1900s.
I can already hear everybody clapping. Just there we go. All right. So again, that song was called Motsu Nabe. Yeah, actually, so I put out on Instagram the question, like, what do people want to see from Kiki? And one of the best questions that we got is, how long does it take to put on these kimono? So one of the things that we did today is we shot a little bit of a project in between projects of how Kiki put on their kimono, and believe it or not, it is lightning fast. So There are so many different. Wow, there's a lot of requests for like songs and whatnot in here. I think one of the songs that we will do close to the end is going to be Tsugara Jungara Bushi. But we're definitely, I think right now we're at like 96 likes. We're definitely going to have to hit at least 100 likes before we go to the next song, just to turn it into a fun little game. Someone mentioned that they are playing a newer style. Do they know any more traditional sounding songs? なんか民謡とか、まあこれでもなんか結構トラディショナルな民謡とかゆっくり系の曲とか。You're just gonna go for Ringo Bushi de mo iyo. So if you want to go for one of the like original 五大民謡みたいな、まあどうしてもいいよ。なんかじゃあリンゴ節でなんかみんなリンゴ節好きだから、we're gonna go for a really traditional song called Ringo Bushi next. Wow, those likes all flew in there. So. Oh, come on, no small voices. So while Hikari plays, Kiki is going to give us an extra special treat today and do a little bit of singing